why your multimeter readings are wrong. There are three common measurements using a multimeter. First is volts, amps, ohms, and continuity. Volts are the measurements of voltage, which is the divided unit for electric potential difference and electromotive force. An amp representing the rate at which electrons flow through a conductor. Ohms. An ohm is the standard international unit for measuring electrical resistance in a circuit. Continuity is the electromagnetic force between electrical conductors carrying a constant electric current. Let's go into the steps of how to use a multimeter the right way. First, let's understand the leads. We have a red lead and a black lead. The black lead always is going to the common, and the red lead is going to go into the red side, which is the voltage. Then, second of all, we have to understand if the leads are not damaged. That's the right way. You just check the leads. Third step is going to be you just go into continuity and test the leads. You need to hear a beep. That means the tester is working, the leads are not damaged. Let's test the continuity between this conductor. Let's test the continuity of this conductor. That's right, but let's understand if we cut this conductor in half, what's gonna happen? The continuity is broken. You never test continuity having power on your circuit. You're gonna damage the tester, and as well you can get an electric shock. As well, we can test AC and DC current, alternating current and direct current. Let's go and test an AC outlet. First step, to test an outlet, we have to test the outlet. Right now AC current, then we have to check the power itself. Insert first the black lead and then the right lead. First step, we turn the multimeter on, then we are gonna go into settings, turn it to AC. First insert the black probe, which one is neutral, and then the right probe, which one is hot, which is giving us 121 volts, 0.8, alternating current. First you remove the hot probe, the live, and then you remove the neutral probe. Now we're gonna test the DC battery, 0.847 volts, which means that battery is already done. You can test alternating current, DC current, you can test continuity. As well, you have other functions, which one I will show you right now on this tester. There are other extra functions like torch,